Most dentists say they have the latest technology in their office. While access to the latest in dental technology is great, it's not enough. What a patient really needs is a highly experienced professional who understands how to use advanced technology to deliver consistently excellent results. Many fancy gadgets on the market may seem impressive, but they're not able to prove the quality of care. And quality care is the only thing that really matters. Sadly, there's no shortage of gimmicks in dentistry. Having good tools is helpful, but legitimate expertise and experience is indispensable if optimum results are to be expected. Dental technology comes in many forms. Consider the modern ergonomic principles incorporated in our sophisticated dental chairs. Patients at our office appreciate having a chair specifically designed for their maximum comfort in mind. Digital photographs, digital radiographs, and CT scans are used to develop sophisticated treatment plans and communicate with our patients and other professionals on our team. While comfortable chairs and communication tools are helpful, the most important thing you should look for in any office is technology that will enable you to get consistently excellent technical dentistries. Ours is just one of the few prosthodontic offices that have a Noble Procera scanner. This latest innovation in scanner technology provides the most precise scans in half the time. We use sophisticated computer-aided design software to digitally create many of our restorations with extreme levels of precision. The components of the final restoration are often manufactured using very advanced and precise computer-aided manufacturing techniques. We have an on-site lab for many restorative procedures. If we do not fabricate it personally, we carefully monitor all the important steps needed to create our restorations. We use only premium quality dental implants and other materials and products. We are very serious about quality control. We have the latest in dental technology, conveniently available to our patients: digital x-rays, digital design, virtual treatment planning, and computer-aided manufacturing. As a pioneer in digital dentistry, we create beautiful smiles by combining artistry, technology, with a passion for perfection in all that we do.